Namaste. If you are someone who's looking for a short yoga routine of 10 minutes to do every day, if you're a busy bee, you can't practice 1 hour class, then this video is for you. So do watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you just 3 stretches to do every day. Take care of your brain health, to take care of your heart health, to take care of your spinal health, leg pain, varicose veins, so many other health issues can be taken care by only 3 yoga stretches. So these 3 yoga asanas are very beautiful. I'm going to explain each and every asana, how it is working for curing all health issues. So let me start this video with first yoga asana. So first yoga asana which I'm going to demonstrate here will be Tadasana. So Tadasana is very good. It stretches your spine, opens up the vertebrae. If you are someone who sits long hour, 5 to 6 hours, then this asana can be miraculous for you. In morning, if you just do 20 stretches of this asana, then you will feel very good in your spinal health. And along with this asana, I'm going to give you breathing, which I'm going to combine with the asana stretch. So you will have a combination or the combo of 3 practices where you combine your breath, where you combine your posture. So asana, pranayama, and also later on, once you understand all 3 practices very well, you can close your eyes and do, then you will combine meditation as well. So you will get all the benefit of these 3 practices and you will get all the health benefit of just by practicing 10 minutes these 3 practices. So let me start with first practice. So first practice where you need to keep your leg together, interlock your fingers slowly. Now with the smile, inhale, stretch your whole body, come on your toes, stretch your heels up and exhale, come back. Now which exhalation we are doing? We are doing Ujjayi breath, or we call it ocean breath. Ujjayi Pranayama we are adding. Let me show you. Inhale. Inhale, 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 So like this you need to do 20 rounds of this asana, this stretch which we did just now, Tadasana stretch with Ujjayi Pranayama. So you saw how I did the breathing, same way you need to do 20 rounds, and once you become expert you would increase one more round of 20, so you do 40. Now what is happening in this asana, how it is beneficial for your heart health, your spinal health, your brain health, because our heart health starts from the calf muscle. So here when we lift the heels up and down, we are stretching the calf muscles. So it's good for the knees, leg pain, varicose veins, and also for your heart. And let's move to the spine. So when we are stretching by taking hands up and down, we are stretching the spine and we are trying to open up the vertebrae which gets blocked or gets closer when we sit for long hours. So when we practice this stretch every day, we open up the vertebrae space as well, so the disc is nicely inside and spine is healthy. So this way it is nourishing your spine. And how it is beneficial for your brain, because brain is a part of your nervous system. So spine and brain is connected. You can say the spine is a tail of your brain. So when your spine is stretched and nourished, then the energy flows directly to the brain and your brain gets a very good oxygen, because we are stretching, so all the nerves and the muscles getting flexible and your blood circulation reaching towards your brain. So this practice is very good for your brain as well. Now let me move to the second practice, which we call it Triyak Tadasana. How to do this asana? You can keep your leg little apart or you can close your leg. You can keep them together, interlock your fingers. Inhale, stretch your whole body. Now you will not lift your heels up, and exhale, side, right side. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Now I am using Ujjayi breath, Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So like this you do 20 rounds, 10 right, 10 left, total 20. And once you become expert, you can add one more round, then you do 40 stretches of this particular asana, which will become your pranayama and meditation as well. If you close your eyes in this and focus on your breath, it becomes the moving meditation and you are connected to your breath, which is your life force. So this was our second practice, and also this practice is very good for the back pain. If you have any lower back pain, any shoulder pain or any pain related to your neck, this will give a relief in those kind of pains as well. Now the third practice which I am going to give you is Kati Chakrasana, which is very beneficial for any kind of back pain and diabetes. If you are looking for anything for your metabolism, then this practice is for you. So keep your leg shoulder width apart. Inhale, raise your arms up this way. Now exhale, twist back fully, completely. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Now you add your Ujjayi breath while exhaling. So exhalation is active, inhalation is passive. So you inhale, center, exhale, back. Initially you can do slowly, and once you become expert or you don't have any high blood pressure, you can do little fast. You will feel very relaxed. After every practice, try to take little relaxation like this. And if you are someone who is suffering with high blood pressure, not controlled, then you need to do very slowly. After every stretch, you take the break like this, 1 minute, standing Shavasana. Just focus on your breath. So after completing 20 of all these 3 asanas, you need to take rest of 5 minutes. That is magical, yes. I have seen many people, they do lot of exercise in the gym, they do lot of yoga practice and they rush to the office. So that is the wrong practice, because already you are stressed, anxious, sympathetic nervous system at higher side. Then if you don't take rest and immediately you go out, then it will increase more. So what you need to do, after any practice, you need to take 5 minutes of rest in Shavasana. Shavasana means you are like a dead body, no pillow, nothing under your head. Just simply lie down, focus on your breath 5 minutes, or play some nice music, focus on that particular music, and then you stretch yourself, turn to the side, get up, rub your palms, put it on your face, smile, and then you go to your work. So this is the way you need to do the practices. And these are the holistic practices we are doing for one thing, but you're getting benefited in your entire health. As these 3 miraculous stretches what I have given you is a combo of pranayama, meditation, stretching, and very good for your entire health, and also good for your stress and anxiety as well. So do practice these 3 stretches and do share this video with your friends and family, because everyone is looking for 10-minute short practice for their health, because no one has time to practice 1 hour or 2 hours. So do try to share this video with everyone. And if you're looking for any other video on any other topic, let me know in the comment box. And if you're looking for any personal consultation session with me, then do find the details in the description of this video and also on my website www.yogavishakti.com. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone.